All right, this is Jonathan Gordon and Seth up here on the Guerrera claim. We got your email asking for another repair test, so I've done quite a few of these. I was going to try to help since it is a little bit of a steep, tall roof here, and we want to try to find some areas. You can see this is the last area where Seth did the tarp on the back. I'm going to go to a different slope just in case, but the whole roof, you can tell, looks like it's pretty well worn. I know these shingles right here weren't counted towards because you were saying they were already existing, so I'm gonna stay away from those. It looks like we've got one right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and work on that one right there just so you can kind of see, so you can see where we're at here. And I'm gonna hand this to Seth, get him to do some videoing, and I will see if I can figure out where we're at. You got your scraper and crowbar, please. I know you had mentioned in the email the roof snake. We've tried to use those a few times, and we found actually when we're putting the shingles back on, the way it's driving into the shingles causing issues. So I'm going to use a regular crowbar like we've always done it, but I'll make sure I'm not over manipulating the shingle and really trying to keep it to lifting up for a 45. Right now, so this is the end of our shingle there. So it should be 3-tab. Should be. Yep, so here's the end. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this entire shingle just so we can do this the proper way. And let me see what we can figure out here. Trying not to be too rough on these things. Yeah, you can. Just so you can kind of see too, just pulling these off, I know it's not creating damage to the shingle, but you can see how much granules are falling off just by scraping these things. So the shingles are definitely a little unrepairable. We've had quite a few storms over the years here too. So in these last year, I'm not sure if that's part of where all this extra granule loss is coming from, but I'm gonna go underneath here like I always do. I gotta try to really not lift anything. Man, you can just see, I don't know if you can see that right there. You can see
grease is starting to form.
There's a little something there, and then you can see all the, look at all those granules falling off just from trying to unseal this shingle. So, like I said, this is the same way that I've done all the other repair tests for Allstate that we've had to do. So, I'll try to replicate those. The big concern is really trying not to flex this shingle much. Big thing is you can kind of tell how rough these things are. These nails literally just pulled right through the shingle, so they're not holding up very well. And I think there was like 50 some shingles marked for repair, so if we did have to start going across the roof. Before I go any further, just to be careful here, I know we touched these shingles, but that's a different wind one. My big concern, I'm gonna do a really light wipe. Like I'll do one like right here on this one so you can see, and then we'll go over here where we kind of messed with this shingle a little bit, and you can see the difference. Nothing popped out here, right here, and I have not lifted these shingles hardly at all. We've already getting a break right there, and look at that.
You can see it clear as day in the video.
Can you? Okay, so you can see that's super loose right here. My biggest concern, if I go to put the shingle back in, we have to start lifting a little more. I start damaging the other rows and surrounding, we're gonna have a major issue, especially up here with the top of the ridge. And then we extend that out over 50 other shingles. We're gonna have a major issue with being able to warranty this thing without leaking or putting the roof back the way it was supposed to be. I'll be honest, I'm not comfortable manipulating these shingles anymore because I'm afraid it's going to cause them more issues. I'm documenting this as pretty much a non-repairable roof. There's just no way to work on this thing without creating more damage. We're going to go ahead and put a tarp back here, let the homeowner know, and we'll get this submitted to you ASAP.